In this video, I'll be showing you how to save the items that you found in your search. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to library.sjsu.edu. This will take you to the home page. And then I do recommend that you sign into your accounts here on the top right hand side. And then once we're ready to search, we'll go under One Search and click under Search Anything and select a keyword. For this example, I'm going to select lowriders, and I'm just going to click the magnifying glass here. And this will bring me to my results page. You'll see the results here on the top middle that's showing 1,717 results. So what you're going to want to do to save that is go here to the top right hand side where you see the push pin. You're going to click on that, and then you'll notice that it went directly up to your pin up on the top of your menu bar here. And I'm just going to select a few more items here. Let's say I just want to select this book on lowriders. Click that item, and you can see that's already been added. And then we'll just do a few more. Lowriders in space, and then this newspaper article. Click on that. So in order to view your searches, you're just going to scroll up to the top, and you'll see the button on the top right hand side right next to your My Account. And you can just go ahead and click on that, and you'll see on the left hand side the saved records. And you'll notice that I have the newspaper article that I selected, the book, Lowriders in Space, and then an additional book on just lowriders, and then that last article that's just lowriders. If I no longer want to save my search, I could just click here to unpin that item, and it just removes it from that record there. And that is how you save records or searches to your account.